Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: GitHub account, active Copilot access, and a compatible editor. Once those are in place, open VS Code and install the GitHub Copilot extension. Sign in with your GitHub credentials and authorize the extension. Make sure to restart the editor so background services initialize. Then open a project file where you want suggestions and create a new file if needed. This gets autocomplete ready and connects your workspace to the Copilot service, so suggestions appear as you type. You now focus on execution. Write a descriptive comment or function signature to frame the task, then trigger Copilot with the key combo or start typing for inline suggestions. Once done, review alternatives with the suggestion list and pick the one that matches intent. Make local edits to tailor style and variables. Also, keep related code in the same file so Copilot has context. If you need tests or docs, ask for them explicitly in comments. Copilot responds better to precise prompts and examples. You finish by validating suggestions. Run your test suite, static analysis, and manual review to catch logic or security issues. Once done, commit with clear messages and attribute changes as needed. If Copilot output is low quality, refine your prompt, add examples, or request alternative completions. Regenerate until it fits. If suggestions fail to appear, sign out and re-authenticate the extension or reinstall it. This often fixes token or connectivity problems. Remember,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.